Exactly. Umhlanyana.
Ndiyabulela mama. Did you guys hear that? The mother complimented me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know this girl, this mama here. Okay, my name is Upume Owagazulu, for those of you who don't know me, and I hope you like what you see, you get to stay, you become part of the family by simply subscribing, guys. It's totally free. I'll keep Luto free, mahala, kumahala. Oh, okay. And then to my regular danglers, like, honey, I see you. Like, honestly guys, I really do appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me, the push on the DMs, the shares, the comments. Like guys, I really do appreciate it. I can now fully say I do see light at the end of the tunnel, and I like this for me. And for the new subbies, if you do want to know, I do motherhood, fashion, travel. I won't really say much about lifestyle because this girl here, she's not a consistent hun, and so I won't commit to that. But in fashion, I really had like quite interesting content lined up, but then due to, guys, my storage issue is now sorted, but then I lost so many things. I lost my diaper bag unboxing, my stroller bag unboxing due to storage issues, but then now that's all sorted. Excuse the noise, guys. And then without further ado, I just would like to insert a snippet when I did my maintenance, where I did my hair, lashes and nails, preparing for Sun City. As you can already tell by the title that I'm gonna be heading to Sun City for 2 nights. It's a work event. I'm gonna be meeting a lot of people, a good time to it's a good time to what? With you, preparing for Sun City, which I'm gonna be heading there very soon. We leaving at 2 p.m. But then before that, let's get to today's unboxing. So I got this bag, which I'll be carrying for the gala. Isn't she nice? I know, she's really nice. I'll be using this bag. I bought it in the CBD Johannesburg, a small, if you may put it that way, for 160. And then I bought a new edition. So I bought new sneakers, and I've been eyeing them for the longest of time. And if you are a consistent babe when it comes to Michael, because you'll definitely know what they always have sales. Like every 3 months they have sales. Every 3 months they have sales. So if you are eyeing this baby, I'll definitely share on my Instagram. If you're not following me yet, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go check out the baby. Go check out the mama. So on Instagram, I go by Upume Owagazulu. It's here. And then, so it came in this package. I'm gonna quickly show you when I did the whole unboxing. Okay, the name of the sneaker, it's the metallic MK6 SM, body size US 8. It shows as though it's big, but then it's not big. I have worn it before. I'm gonna pack with you. After packing with you, I'm gonna head out to our offices, to where I work, and then after that we're going to head straight to Suncity, and then Suncity, when I get there, I'm gonna freshen up. After freshening up, I'm going to prepare for the cocktail dinner that we're going to be having. Hopefully meet some great people. After that, the following day we have a conference, and then after the conference starts in the morning. Then later that day, which is at 6, we're going to have the gala. So I'm gonna take you guys through everything. Please stay tuned, please enjoy. Please tell me what you think about everything, and yeah, let's go have fun. Let's go to Sun City. Let me take you there. Oh, also guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I keep these lovely babies alive for a little longer than
you start living for the small moments.
So I'm gonna
That's when you really know you're living.
I do that, and
The
I
smell
also
of coffee in the
posted a
morning,
reel on Instagram,
the different colors of the
like I
sunset.
said, if you're not following
The
me
big
on
moments are
Instagram,
great when they
what
come,
are you doing?
but damn those small moments. Those are the ones that truly make life worth living.
Firstly, I'll be taking this dress, which I am selling it on my boutique. I'm gonna be taking this dress. Okay, this is gonna be my returning outfit. I have my, what's this? I have my leather jacket in the car, so I'll wear my leather jacket with this, and then so for the cocktail, because it's going to be a semi-formal cocktail type of vibe, I'm going to be wearing this two-piece. I insert a picture. Then for the conference, I'll wear this dress. Then just to have options, guys, I'm going to also take this skirt, which I also have on my boutique. I'm gonna pick these Steven Madden heels. I just want to have options, so I'm gonna pick these Steven Madden heels. And then for the bag, I'm gonna take this. And then I'll pack my toiletries in this bag. And then I'll also pick these shoes. Gosh, guys, I'm actually looking for my blazer. As a breastfeeding mom, this is the most important thing to pack for me right now. So I'm going to be taking my breastfeeding pads. And I did pump enough milk for my baby. Already. I got some food. In South Africa, guys, there's no electricity, so I'll do the apartment tour later. I finally made it to Suncity, yay! So this is my room. Let me see if I have a view. Doesn't look like it. There's another mirror. Okay, this looks nice. Your girl just embarrassed herself. Actually, I was supposed to insert my card here just so that the lights would go on. So this is what you see when you walk in. You know the drill. That's me. And we are on. Oh my god. Like I am in Sun City and we outside. Guys, I am so excited. Can you tell? The girl is excited. Oh my god. Guys, the water is different. Oh, Amanzi, I want not to go back. You, but I miss my baby. Oh my god, I miss my baby. And I really am looking forward to the next 2 nights here. Oh my god, just to be with people that are going to remind me why I am in this profession and to just eat the fruits of my labor, guys. I really am excited to be here, but more than anything, I just miss my baby. And the sad thing is that actually, it's not the sad thing, but the bummer in all of this is that I actually forgot my breast pump. So that means mama's gonna have big boobs. I don't know how I'll manage with that, because after some time my milk does leak. Yeah, so yeah guys, let me quickly get ready. I don't know if I have a shower. I don't have a shower. Yeah, actually I do. Yeah, I'm so in love with the mirrors. Ooh, tickle. I'm so in love with the mirrors. Content, guys. I love this for me. I love this. And yeah guys, I'm not annoyed, but then I'm just shocked that my colleagues told me that we were going to be wearing all black and the girl brought that. Luckily for me, I overpacked, which means because now it's just a simple event, then I can actually wear whatever that I had packed. Yo, imagine if I was going to wear an all black, a formal. And the sad thing was that I tried on outfits this morning, nothing was just coming out. But more than anything, we're in Sun City, we outside. I look so exhausted, my hair doesn't make sense, so I just want to quickly take a shower and get ready for the cocktail dinner, and that's on that. Guys, actually I want to take a snap here. I want to. What is this? A hardworker even on vacation. What is this? Oh, guys, I have to iron my blazer. Oh, this iron smells of heat. Let me check. It's on max. Let me move it to silk. It doesn't even have water. Let me go pour water on this. So this is my outfit, and this is what I'm wearing. I don't have my bag. I didn't bring any bag, so I'm gonna carry this. suncity. Hey, look at the lighting. Don't touch his tummy. Woo, mommy. Breakfast time. So I'm currently headed to the conference. I'm gonna be wearing my black heels, so simple black, nothing fancy. This dress is from Fashini. That's me. So we actually use the shuttle to go to Sawan. Good morning, princess treatment. I'm literally the only person in the bus. How nice! And your girl, she's going straight to the convention center. Ooh, how nice! Princess treatment. Emtaneni. Good morning, 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 morning. Top of the morning, guys. So looking forward to today. Skin is skinning, skinning.
Mean to the young one who is brutal. So again, it goes back to the history of our country that was designed such that a black person does not succeed economically, emotionally, mentally, and so forth. So all of this is in it, and I'm just hoping that individuals, in whatever space that you're in, you have the consciousness to recognize your responsibility, not only to the person but to yourself, such that your wounds don't show up. Anyway, at the end of the day, to close it off, for me, let's not want to be the only one in the room. There's enough space for all of us. Go out there and create more versions of yourself, so that you're not the only one that's paying the black tax. You know, let everybody also have the ability and the capability and the competency to generate enough for a future generation that is in power.
I'm currently going to do my makeup at the Cascade Hotel. I think that's where our makeup artists are. Yeah. Guys, if I say I'm exhausted, I'm not lying. Like right now I'm a ghost. Do you ghost? Ooh, I am so tired. This is how I look. This is my face before the whole makeup thingy. Guys, I am so tired. But more than anything, I feel like going to do my makeup now. I'm gonna miss out on so much because people are sharing their stories and how the impact they're making, or the ladies before them, the impact which they made. I honestly feel like I'm gonna be missing out now that I'm going to do my makeup before the conference ends, because we only have 2 makeup artists and there's like 20 of us. Tell me that's crazy, ne? Yeah. But then I just feel like there's just so much to learn. Hey guys, like hearing people share their stories with how they started off and where they are now, how the ladies before them, Abu Mam Cindy, how they changed. Hi. They paved indlela for bona. It's really so great to hear. It really is. Actually at the Cascades now to do my makeup. How nice is it? How nice. So fancy. Ooh. I think the escalators are here. Guys, so simple right now. Here's how I look with my laptop bag. Looks so skinny. This is how it looks. Very fancy. Very fancy. I think this is my lip. Side. Oh guys, honestly, like, it's, you know, I'm going to, when I say good to you, I remember this other time I was saying someone into this job as a job that I was given by God. Like, I really do mean that, because so many things make so much sense. Because if you know me personally, you'd definitely know how I am all about women empowerment, women making the big moves and creating space. As much as I'm a boy mom, not that we're saying boys don't deserve that, but then ooh, guys, fanele uqoqo lamangsebenzi. Yo, and the banner lo is steamer la hotel. Esakho buthule. Oh, sabuthule.
It's my early childhood development at home, and after that was gone. So my gender is not clean.
The girl has done her face. Baby girl. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Where's the lift? Hi. What do you even... Okay, the lift is here. You see now? Getting distracted. Because... Oh, andimhle ngathi ngiphaya kwaWoolies. Ooh, look at the lighting. Diabulela mama. Did you guys hear that? The mother complimented me. You have no heart to love. Oh, baby. Guys, honestly, like, one thing about me, I always thank God for everything. Like, as I was doing my makeup, I was speaking to my makeup artist. Like, she was asking me, because it's actually not the first time she's doing my makeup. She did my makeup when we were doing the company photo shoot. So as we were talking, she asked me, how's motherhood, any challenges so far and everything. And then I was like, man, it's just 1, 2, 3-ish in. And then she's like, yo, Pumi, that's nothing, that's actually normal. Like, and you actually are doing a great job, if you were to ask me, yabo. And like hearing that from someone, good, you are in the right direction, and we all know whatever that you are doing, you do it for the goodness of your baby. Like, that's sort of a relief for me, because it's nice to hear people that are ahead of you bakutshela ukuthi indlela isona, you're gonna see these kind of bumps and this is how you maneuver around them. And yeah, because this girl here, she loves being a mom. I wouldn't trade it for anything. So I love being my baby's mother. Oh god, like, I love being Vigo's mom. I feel like that's my calling. Super grateful. So yeah, that's me. That's me, guys. As much as I would have wanted it to happen in a different way, but then more than anything, I feel like God trusted me with Vigo in this chapter for a reason. Because ideally I would have loved to be married, of which I'm not, to have my own house, of which I'm not, yeah. But then now God also granted me the will to afford everything that I wanted for my baby, like, and being able to not compromise on the smallest of things. Yeah, guys, like, can you tell that I'm happy? Can you tell? Because one thing about me, if I'm happy about my baby, I will speak about my baby. Like, yeah. I'm going back to the conference. Is there a need? I don't know. But I'm going there. Because I can. And later on, I think when I get to my hotel room, I actually want to speak about something. Like, trusting God with certain things in your life. Because I actually want to go to the bathroom. I'm seeing a monkey. Oh my god. And I was just outside. Oh, lovely. But I was like, I wanted to step out, and then I saw it, and then I was like, no ways. No freaking ways. It's like, I'm not doing that to myself. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? I think it's eating because my neighbors are actually outside having biltong. I want to quickly take a bath since I've already done my face, because there's quite a few of us that's doing makeup, so I had to do it earlier so that I'm out of the rain. So now I can take a shower. I'm gonna take a bath, and then after that, what am I gonna do? I want to, yeah, that's on that. That's pretty much it. And then after that, I'm gonna get ready. So the reason why I wanted to share about how motherhood changes everything in terms of impilo yomuntu, because I saw that a mother loses 350, rather parents, let's say parents, guys, because there are active present fathers out there abenza zonke lezi zinto lezi aba-rotate-ayo with the moms and stuff. So they are saying the parents lose 350 hours of sleep in the first year of parenting. So what sparked this idea and also this conversation, like, what are the challenges and the changes that one might go through, since I only have 5 months of experience as a mom. I watched a video, I think it was shared on TikTok. So there's a lady from the UK. I'm gonna try to share it, but then if I do get copyrighted, then I'll share a link on my description box just so you guys can go watch it. So this lady is a 19-year-old. She's from the UK. Apparently, like, my details, you know, man, guys, when they want to be spicy, they share unnecessary details. That's how I feel about some of the things that I read there. So this lady is a 19-year-old aspiring YouTuber. So what had happened, it was in December. You know how December is busy for everyone else. So this lady, she went out to a party, and then she has a child. She left at home a 20-month-old. So I'm gonna 1 year 8 months. 20-month-old girl, a beautiful girl. Yo guys, not that kutababi bayalahlwa umntana uthanda njalo. So this girl, she left umntana wakhe wahamba wayodla uDecember, and then umshiya ayi-1 like endlini unattended. Ana nokudla, maybe ke nokuzitshela ukuthi uzamshiyela ukudla, amtshela ukuthi if you ever want to eat here. But then umntwana una 1 year 8 months, guys, maybe kana funda ukuhamba yabo. So this lady left her daughter I-1, and then she went to a party, and then after that party she was invited to another party, and then she went to the boyfriend. I'm like, who's this boyfriend? Was this a boyfriend the baby did? Who was this boyfriend? And then after lapho, she was invited to another party, DJ Banban, and then she went there. And then after, she left the baby for like 6 days, if not 7, alone, unattended, guys. Guys, how traumatic is that? Guys, ngathi mina ngisaba ukushiya ubiko, like ukushiya ubiko ngimbona ukuthi uvukile. That's how umntana makaka understand the lento lokuthi umuntu is leaving the room, umuntu akekho uyakubona uphuma ulokubuya, but ukwazi ukuthi uzokhala mawuphuma umnyango, he's not yet like that alert on things. Like nyasaba, the other day he was awake and I wanted to take a shower at night. Nyangamfaka guys ku basket ngambeka like on top of the washing machine in the bathroom, just so I could take a shower, and he was there watching me. And just to give him assurance that I'm here, like I would knock on the window just to get his attention, try to play with him. Not that I'm saying I'm perfect, guys, now I have my flaws, but leaving your baby unattended for 6 nights, that's a lot. So then that lady washimtwana wahamba December. And yes, there's postpartum depression. You feel like you're doing this like alone. It's a lot. Or maybe because what other girls do, they have kids with guys, hoping that they're going to trap them into marriage, and it doesn't happen. Next thing, they start resenting these babies. And so then ngena ugyelo hamba yedla ubusha bakhe, washiya umntwana, wathi makabuya wafonela 911, bathi mafika nomntwana esibhedlela, they declared her dead. Then postpartum yasho ukuthi ushiya umntwana ubulawe indlala, and then she had a nappy rash, and then yasho nanguthi akaqala nokumshiya ayi-1. That happened also several months ago. I'm like, there's so many people that want to have kids, guys. Like, why would you do that? Why would you be so heartless? Oh my god. I want to quickly go wipe that up, and then I'm gonna come back. Morning with the views. Morning from suncity.